Welcome to Forest Packaging Group, a one-stop packaging solution. To give you some information about us, we have focused on paper packaging since 1986, acquiring many international certificates along the way. And since then, we have become a top 30 paper packaging enterprise in China, with over 40 factories valued at over $230 million US. As Forest Packaging Group has grown, subsidiary branch companies evolved to handle the expansion. The company was founded in 1986, and by 2005, the Shanghai International Marketing Branch was formed. Within the next 2 years, we achieved the self-managed import and export rights and formed an international team of 10 members. In 2011-2012, we obtained the Zhurun commercial building and the Shanghai factory, with our international team growing to 36 members by 2015. The following year, our brand Forest Packaging Group was established, and in 2017, we opened up our new office with over 1,000 square meters. By 2018, our office was upgraded to 10,000 square meters. Forest Packaging Group is known for superior quality, competitive pricing, and excellent services. As a company always striving to improve, we are a name that can be trusted. We reuse recycled material to reduce the impact we have on our environment and natural resources, as we manufacture eco-friendly paper packaging products to our customers worldwide. Our world-class printing machines and facilities gives us the capability to produce 2 billion square meters of top-grade surface carton, corrugated board, and paper products annually, allowing us to partner and work with the largest companies in the world. We've established business connections all over the world, doing business in over 100 plus countries, and we are still growing. We've developed these relationships by being honest and sincere, with our professional packaging services becoming the first and best choice for all domestic and foreign customers. Our office stimulates creativity, allowing us to connect with our future and existing customers to achieve maximum results. Our factory includes advanced corrugated board product facilities with equipment that's PC controlled to improve product efficiency and quality. We also have the most advanced lithographic printing presses with full PC control, auto plate changes, and color management systems. To guarantee our quality, we use high precision color photometers, temperature humidity test chambers, drop tests, and compression tests. The CEO, Jessica Kim, lives by the quote, "Live with dreams and passion and never give up." She leads our team of directors and managers to effectively guide our professional team that communicates with our clients daily to fulfill all customer requirements. Since 2009, our company visits exhibitions yearly, which gives us a chance to interact with future clients. We love attending these shows because we can get more knowledge and be updated on the most advanced packaging needs. Here are a few examples of some packaging that we have made for our customers. As you can see, we provide all customized packaging and printing services. Our mission is to protect your brand and reputation. Please don't hesitate to contact us at Forest Packaging Group.